Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making mint sauce, really popular with starters. It's good with, poppadoms. Quite a good sauce to have. So I've had a lot of requests for this, so I've finally got onto it. Bear with me, I haven't got any scales, I've lost my scales, so I'm literally going to just be saucing cups and spoons, and it should be alright as long as you're not too out on anything. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, like. A lot of people's been asking me a lot of questions. I've been helping a lot of people, so hope it's improved your cooking. So let's get, not cooking, but minting. Was that funny? So we've got very few ingredients. Coriander is here, mango chutney, milk, a green chili, sugar, yogurt, and mint sauce. You're not going to need all of this. This is just, I've just got it out, and I'll be putting a little bit in as I need to. So let's have a look. The yogurt goes in last, so you won't be putting the yogurt in. And you've got a sprinkle of coriander. Right, so we've got some mango chutney here. So I'd say about 4 tablespoons of mango chutney. And then we've got about 4 tablespoons of sugar. So you want about 1/4 of a pint of milk. So then you've got about 2 tablespoons of mint sauce. Now, the mint we use is Coleman's. That's the best quality one. So we tried others like Pasco, a few others, and they've just been really bad. So I would recommend highly use Coleman's mint sauce. Right. Then you need a blender, and then you just blend all of it. Keep blending it until it's all liquidy, got no bits in there. So once it's blended, it should look like this, like a liquidy, greeny kind of liquid. Then the final part, we're just going to add some yogurt, about a pint of yogurt. And then the final stage is just whisk it. So then you just got to taste it. Is it sweet enough? If not, add a little bit more sugar in. Is it minty enough? If not, add a little bit more mint. If it's too runny, add more yogurt. And if it's too thick, add a little bit more milk to get the perfect, this is perfect sort of thickness. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, a perfectly made mint sauce.